My name is Dr. Zaeem and I recently passed my PLAB 2 exam in my first attempt, Alhamdulillah. So this is a very short video just to thank Team MEDASTRA, including Dr. Sara, Dr. Awan, Dr. Mubashir, Miss Nabila, everyone. You guys were great help. Not only great help, it was really impossible to do it without you guys. Not only giving the PLAB 2 exam, even surviving in UK for me personally, it was impossible to do it without you guys. I don't have the words really to thank you guys enough, and the support you guys gave, not only the education, even the emotional support, and just helping us through our day-to-day things as well. I'm really thankful to you. And well, Dr. Sara, if you are listening and watching this video, I really want to thank you, because I still remember the first day I came to you, and the first case I did in the supervised practice session, I was overwhelmed. I still remember the first case was cholangitis. I completely froze. I had no idea what to do. I was so tensed and I wanted to give up really. And Dr. Sara, the way you motivated me and the way you pushed me really, and you told me that I have to continue, I have to finish the station somehow, however I do it. And I still remember that day, and when the result came out, this was the first thing that came in my mind, that I passed the PLAB 2 exam with 14 stations. I passed 14 stations, and this is what I remembered, that the first day, 30 days back before the exam, when I came to you, I couldn't do a single station. I couldn't complete it, and you just helped us. You just motivated me and made me come to this place without even me knowing. I was growing and I was starting to do better when you believed in, well, to be honest, when you believed in me, I didn't believe in myself. And everybody who else is listening, people who haven't given their PLAB 2 just as yet, this happens. You will start to doubt yourself. And again, Dr. Sara, I'm really thankful to you. The way you motivated me, the way you told me the night before the exam, when you came to us and you just told me that I am ready. Well, that is what was really needed. That when you told me that I am ready, that just gave me that that hope and that encouragement that was needed. And when I went in, and well, I want to thank some more people as well, especially Dr. Faiza and Dr. Mubashir. You guys introduced me to Dr. Sara, and now when I think about it, I really don't have the words to thank you guys enough. It was really impossible without you guys. And the way, Dr. Sara, you encourage every other person, and you see the problems in an individual separately. That is just amazing. The way you do it, the way you motivate them, the way you take the stress of a student on yourself, that is just amazing. And I really don't have the words to thank you guys enough. And one more thing, before ending this, had to be a short video, I'm really sorry, but before ending this video, for the people who have to give their PLAB 2 exam right now, well, some of my friends, they told me that the technique and the way I'm doing my PLAB 2, the way I'm going towards it, is very different from the other academies or from other friends who had taken different academies. I really didn't know what that meant. That is because I hadn't taken any other academy, and I just came to Dr. Sara directly, and I'm really thankful that I did that. And this was one of the best decisions that I made. Again, thank you, Bashir, thank you, Faiza, for introducing me to Dr. Sara. So why I'm saying this is because Dr. Sara gives you an insight into the exam. You just go to very specific things, you just get to know everything. And I think that is because Dr. Sara and Dr. Wan, they're really working in NHS, so they know everything, and they give us this insight about the exam. And well, when I quickly I want to tell you about my experience with the PLAB 2 exam. When I came out, I was absolutely devastated. And if you guys know Dr. Sara, you can ask her as well. She called me, she asked me to come back to the academy, because I was absolutely devastated. I thought that I did really badly, because I kept on thinking these little things. I missed this, I couldn't do this, my time finished, or things like that. These kept coming into my mind, that these things were missing from my stations. And well, the other candidates who were with me, they were really happy with it. They were saying that it was an easy exam, they did great, and that is what made me well sad much more, that why did I do so badly. And well, when Dr. Sara told me that I am sad because of the insight that I have. I know everything. I know what I had to do and what I was missing and everything like that. So the important thing is, when the result came, I had passed 14 stations, that too with good numbers. I was not expecting to pass 14 stations. I swear, I counted my stations. I didn't pass myself in the exam, and I was just praying to God, just please just let me pass 10 stations. So I just passed the PLAB 2 exam. And so I'm telling you guys, I really don't have the words to thank Dr. Sara and everyone, the way they helped me even after my exam, the way you encouraged me, the way you told me everything is going to be all right. That was really amazing. So this had to be a short video. I'm really sorry, but I cannot express my emotions really. I'm really very thankful to these guys. This was impossible. The bottom line is, this was really impossible without Dr. Sara, Dr. Van, and team Medastra. So thank you everyone, and bye.